Guys, if you know, you never know the kind of recipes to add on your timetable this time around because you need it. Guys, the best way to cook your couscous and carrots and vegetable sauce, guys, are the healthy ways to go about cooking it and why you need to be cooking all those kind of recipe. If you don't know, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end. And then again, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification if you really like what we are doing here. Thank you. Okay, before we tune in here, guys, we are making like two different kind of recipe drinks, because weather is kind of hot. So we can't do without, taking any drink, soft drink, as in that can refresh us. So what are we making? Guys, I go no anywhere than making this kind of healthy soft drink. What are they? If you're looking at me to do other kind of like orange, mango, not at all. These but only, beetroot, drinks. So beetroot, taking beetroot, you've taken everything. It helps you to boom your energy. It helps you. Guys, go and Google it. I don't need to mention all of that here because I don't want to make a health creams. So we firstly started from making our juice. This is only but beetroot juice mixed with lemon. That's it. If you are looking for expensive juice to make or a kind of expensive fruit to buy for you to make juice, guys, this beetroot is the most healthy juice you can do to yourself. Why? Go and ask your Google. Okay, before we dive into making the recipes, we've already finished making it, so we're gonna put back to the fridge. Okay, back to base. What are we gonna prepare as recipe? Like as I said, the kind of recipes to prepare and why we need to keep preparing all those things. Guys, we don't have much food to prepare, and for you keep eating one particular food or recipes always, guys, it can make you lose your appetite. But if you find like many kind of different recipes cooking, as in adding on the regular ones you normally use to cook, guys, this gonna better you. It gonna better you and it gonna help you keep having appetite to eat. We are not saying you should eat to stupor, not at all. You need to minimize your food intake, but knowing all these kind of recipe can help you not to be running helter skelter, always looking for what to prepare on your daily basis. So watching my video or coming across my channel, you bettered yourself. Only what you can help me to do, any new recipes we introduce here, kindly add it in your timetable, because when you have a lot of recipes on your timetable, you're not gonna lack what to eat on your daily basis. So guys, without talking much, let me show you the easiest way to cook your couscous, because couscous seems borrowed food for me because, guys, this is not my type of food before. But as like they said, if you come to Rome, you behave like Romans. So, you get to adapt some recipes which is not ours. So that's what really helped me. So the first time I tried this couscous, guys, I found this interesting. Why? Because it tastes so good and it's yummy and delicious for me. The good thing about couscous is that it doesn't take time to cook, guys. Within a couple of a minute, 2 minutes, you are done cooking your couscous. Some people ask, is this gari? Is this what? Guys, this look exactly like gari, African gari, or kind of different. Count it all from gari, because these are another different thing. But by me looking at two of them, they look alike. Only what you can help me to do, when you have gari at home, please kindly differentiate, separate it very well from couscous so that you wouldn't make mistake using couscous as your garri. So guys, only what you can help me to do while cooking your couscous is to boil hot water. Make sure you wash your pot very very neat. Add water inside your pot, allow the water to be boiled. Guys, bring the quantities of couscous you can make to yourself, add on it. Guys, turn it. Guys, only what you can help me to add on this couscous, as I said, is a easiest recipe you can prepare. Add a pinch of salt, that's it. Cover it, guys, like 1 minute. Guys, probably 2 minutes, your couscous is done. Guys, adding this on your timetable have make you not to run helter skelter each day looking for what to do. Because as we Africa, we don't have pretty much food cooking every day. So that one makes us to be eating one particular food every day, and trying to cook the same kind of food every day makes us lose our appetite. So we need to have different calibers of food cooking and also eating. Like as I said, I didn't say overeat. Eat normal. Eat with moderation. Eat with moderation. Okay, guys, my filming is still, affecting me, but you guys should pardon me. Pardon me. I don't know what my camera is doing. Okay, let's proceed. Like as I said, cooking this couscous is a thing of easy kind of fast food you prepare at an easy moment. So there we go. So another thing to prepare here is our sauce. Guys, we have sauce here to prepare, guys, but I gonna do that one off camera, so because of time. So as you can see, our food is ready. It doesn't take us like 10 minutes. Within a couple of 8 minutes, I'm done cooking. And trust me, it's not when you stay like 1 hour cooking that as in means that your food is healthy. There are some kind of healthy food you can cook within a couple of minutes. Trust me, you're gonna still look healthy. So why you needed all these things, guys, kindly be, changing different calibers of food, because it's very, very important. When you do, this gonna help you build your body, because what we cook here as sauce is as in veggies. As you can see, all these things on the sauce are mainly veggies. So this gonna better your body, and this kind of healthy for you. When you cook starch food, guys, kindly sign it with non-starchy food. I think mixing the two together is the key. Guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.